Good evening and welcome to our webinar on the SDG-aligned Artemia Aquaculture. I'm Simon Wilkinson from the Network of Aquaculture Centres in Asia Pacific. Tonight's webinar is the first event of the Global Conference on Aquaculture Millennium Plus 20. The main conference will kick off tomorrow via Zoom, and I encourage you to register for that through the conference website. We'll provide a link at the end. Now we will begin the proceedings. I'd like to hand over to Professor Li-Ying Sui to introduce our first speakers. Professor Li-Ying, please go ahead.
Thank you very much, Simon. Dear participants, colleagues, and friends, good morning, good afternoon, and very good evening. Welcome you to SDG-aligned Artemia workshop. My name is Sui Li-Ying. I'm from Asian Regional Artemia Reference Center, Qingyin University of Science and Technology. First of all, I would like to introduce our distinguished guest at the head table. Professor Jiang, the Vice Rector of Shanghai Ocean University. Mr. Jiang, the former Deputy Director of Fisheries and Aquaculture Division of FAO. Professor Wang Qingyin, the Board Chairman of China Society of Fisheries. Welcome. I would like to also to introduce my colleague, the co-moderator of the workshop, Dr. Rodrigo Rubach from FAO Rome. Rodrigo, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
So now I'm honored to invite Professor Jiang to give a welcome address. Professor Jiang, it's your floor.
Distinguished Matthias, Jiang, Rodrigo Rubach, Wang Qingyin, and Sui Li-Ying, dear Professor Patrick, distinguished scholars and guests, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the pre-conference workshop of GCA, SDG-aligned Artemia Aquaculture. My name is Jiang. I'm the Vice President of Shanghai Ocean University. On behalf of Professor Wang, President of Shanghai Ocean University, I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to all the participants in the workshop and express my sincere greetings to all the experts and scholars. My heartfelt thanks also go to the staff who provided support and help for the meeting. Firstly, I'd like to say that it is our great honor to be one of the hosts of the Global Conference on Aquaculture Millennium Plus 20. As one of the oldest fisheries universities in China, Shanghai Ocean University, founded in 1912, will celebrate its 110th anniversary next year. And as early as 1921, it became the first educational institution in China to establish agriculture department and generated a group of famous scholars such as Zhu Yuanding, Meng Qingwen, and Li Sifa, who contributed valuable knowledge and experience to the aquaculture. Shanghai Ocean University is the one with the most complete specialty of higher education in the field of aquaculture in China, including 4 undergraduate majors in aquaculture. And also, we have the most comprehensive education system from undergraduate, master, doctor, to postdoctoral programs, cultivated many talents in aquaculture at home and abroad. As we all know, Artemia is a small crustacean widely distributed over the world. Since Seal first used newly hatched Artemia nauplii as bait for juvenile fish in 1933, Artemia has been widely used in aquaculture. Our Dr. Patrick has made outstanding contributions to the promotion and application technology development of Artemia. The Artemia Reference Center of Ghent University in Belgium initiated by him is still an important platform for Artemia research around the world. FAO, NACA, and other organizations such as Great Salt Lake Brine Shrimp Cooperative USA, such as Artemia Association of China, Asia Regional Artemia Reference Center in Tianjin University of Science and Technology, have made outstanding contributions to the promotion and application technology development of Artemia. However, further study and studies are needed to assure the sustainable provision of Artemia. That's why we are here together. All participants are encouraged to strengthen communication and cooperation in the future and jointly discuss the topic for SDG-aligned Artemia. Finally, I wish this workshop a complete success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rector Jiang. In fact, as the local facilitator, Shanghai Ocean University have made a tremendous effort for this workshop. We appreciate so much for your strong support for this workshop. And next, I'm honored to invite Professor Wang Qingyin from China Society of Fisheries to give a welcome speech. Professor Wang, please.
Dear Professor Jiang Mi, Professor Patrick Sokolos, Mr. Jiang, Mr. Simon, and Professor Sui Yin, colleagues and friends here in Shanghai, and all of you attending the video conferencing. First of all, on behalf of China Society of Fisheries, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the SDG-aligned Artemia workshop. Brine shrimp Artemia is a crucial livelihood for marine fish and crustacean culture. With the expansion of world aquaculture, the demand for Artemia cysts have continued to increase. Today, the workshop is held at the pre-meeting of the Global Conference of Aquaculture, fully demonstrating the importance of Artemia in fulfilling the SDGs for the aquaculture industry. I am very pleased that this workshop is held in China, the country with the biggest resources of Artemia, from inland salt lakes and coast salt works, and the biggest consumer of Artemia in aquaculture hatcheries for fish, shrimp, prawn, and crab. Except for the cyst product, Artemia are also sold in the form of newly hatched nopian, fresh and frozen biomass, as well as decapsulated cysts to be used in shrimp hatchery, nursery, and broodstock maturation in China. I am also very proud that the regional Artemia Reference Center is established in China at the Tianjin University of Science and Technology with great support of FAO. The role of ARC is to facilitate sustainable exploration and utilization of Artemia resources in Asia through coordinating interdisciplinary and interregional Artemia research, setting up a platform for Artemia information exchange, providing technical consultation and services for Artemia cyst production and its application in culture. And I believe ARC will play increasing important roles in the sustainable development of aquaculture industry, not only in China, in Asia, but also worldwide. Finally, I wish the Artemia workshop today a great success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Wang. I see a number of members from Artemia Association of China. So I would also like to take opportunity to extend our appreciation to Artemia Association of China for your great support to the workshop. And now I would like to hand over the moderating task to FAO Rome, Dr. Rodrigo Rubach. Rodrigo.
Thank you.
It's your floor.
Thank you, Professor Lin Sui. Good morning, all. Good afternoon, good evening to all here connected here with us. My name is Rodrigo Robach. I'm a FAO Senior Aquaculture Officer, Aquaculture Technology and Production Team, and I'm here to act as the workshop moderator alongside with Professor Lin Sui on site. So on behalf of FAO, I would like to thank you, the participants in this workshop, for your presence and time with us here. I would also like to thank all the other organizers for their work. Distinguished participants, a new international interdisciplinary approach is needed to tackle these present Artemia issues and opportunities, like the breakthrough in Artemia use in aquaculture following the 1976 FAO Kyoto Conference. Therefore, the purpose of the GCA Artemia workshop is to explore needs and opportunities for a new international initiative to guarantee a more sustainable provision of Artemia, both from natural sources and from controlled extractive Artemia farming integrated with salt and other fish crustacean aquaculture. We believe in the possibilities of aquaculture, and we trust that your contribution here in this workshop will support the increased economic, environmental, and social sustainability of this important sector. Having said that, I would now like to give the floor to our first presentation by Mr. Patrick Sogelot. Please, Mr. Patrick, the floor is yours.